Horizon Hobbies, $130 Cub S with a 200 milliamp aftermarket battery. Do some tricks. Whoa, dude. Whoa, you're gonna do that right here? Thought for sure you were going to crash. You hitting your safety button? You cheating? Glider.
Pick it up, throw it, Liam. Pick it up and throw it. Shake it off a little bit. Hold it like this. Hold it like that so you can throw it. You ready? When I hit the throttle, you throw it, okay? Go.
You gonna do some flips for us, bud? Oh no, that sounded bad. Oh no. Oh, it might have been an epic fail.
Oh yeah, the motor's dismounted again. Damn it.
Let's see. Oh yeah, she's moving. See how we winterize it, people? Every hole, even back here. Plug all those holes. Look at that. It's only been crashed about 50, 60 times like that. You gotta watch out for trees. That's the most dangerous thing. Trees will kill them.